In 2022, we've seen growing global commitment to act on short-lived climate pollutants as the fastest way to control our near-term climate future. When we look at the track record over the last year on methane, in Glasgow at the COP, we launched the Global Methane Pledge with over 100 countries committed to working together to cut global methane pollution at least 30% by 2030. Here in Sharm el-Sheikh at COP27, we're at 140 supporters of the Global Methane Pledge and counting. And we're seeing countries taking crucial actions consistent with the goals of the pledge. Canada just set a goal to cut its oil and gas methane pollution 75%. The United States has enacted legislation that puts a fee on oil and gas methane up to $60 a ton as it ramps up. And the United States is investing billions in methane mitigation, including in other sectors like agriculture. We see that the European Commission put forward a strong methane strategy joined by so many other governments around the world that are stepping up and taking action. And countries are putting these kinds of actions on public health priorities and short-lived climate pollutant reductions into their nationally determined contributions. Indeed, since 2020, the number of NDCs that have addressed these SLCP priorities has more than doubled. So years of CCAC work is paying off. And we're seeing this also in a range of countries that have taken action on specific standards. For example, Colombia on oil and gas methane regulations, Kenya in the waste sector, Nigeria on oil and gas regulations as well. But of course, there are clear signs that we need to move even faster. This year, we see impacts of climate change from catastrophic flooding in Pakistan to heat waves worldwide and wildfire that comes with it. 99% of the global population is still breathing air that doesn't meet World Health Organization air quality standards. And the CCAC UNEP baseline report shows that with current policies, methane emissions will continue to increase through 2030, not decline by 30%. So we still have our work cut out for us. And the CCAC's work is therefore more important than ever. But fortunately, this past year has set us up to deliver fast action and to achieve our 2030 objectives together. In particular, we've expanded the partnership to help implement the goals of the Global Methane Pledge. We've raised $40 million for implementation of CCAC's priorities. We've launched 48 projects to support national policy and planning and sectoral mitigation. We've had 3 calls for proposals to get those funds out and put them to work. So we're moving faster, and we just need to roll up our sleeves and pick up the pace even more, because the topic requires that we work together at a faster clip in order to get to our shared objectives for 2030. Thank you.